Hello students, so this is your Shruti teacher. This is the continuation of simple equations. So till now we have studied how the equations are formed and what are the variable, what are the constants and what are the coefficients and what is meant by equation and expression and how we can solve. Solve means how we can find the value of exact value of the given variable in the equation. So in the four methods I said in the first video, that is trial and error method. By trial and error method we can find out the variable, and the second method, the give the steps to the equation to separate the variable and constant separately, then only also we can find the value of variable. And the third one is very important. In all the time you can use this method and you must and should learn this method, and it is very important because still however you will study quadratic equations and simple equations, whatever type of equations if you want to solve means those methods are based on the transposing method. So this exercise 4.3 is based on transposing method. Transposing method means whichever, it is like a give the steps method only to separate the variable and all. But here we are not giving the steps here, but we are transferring the numbers or transferring the whatever except variable numbers we have to one by one we have to transfer to the other side. It may be LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS. So here I have chosen the examples. First one, 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2 here. So 2y plus 5 by 2, 37 by 2 means here where is variable? Here 2y is a variable. So in this y only we have to find it. That means except y terms remaining you have to transfer to the, if it is in LHS you have to transfer to RHS. How? By, if it is with the addition it becomes minus, subtraction. If it is with the multiplication it becomes a division. If it is in a division, if it becomes a multiplication, reverse it is. So first of all we should not remove the 2 itself. First addition subtraction we have to separate it. So here I don't want 5 by 2 the fraction in with the 2y. I don't want here. I want to transfer to the RHS. So here if you want to transfer to the RHS, the here is a plus, so it becomes minus here. So here plus becomes minus, plus to minus it becomes. So here we have written as steps. So only 2y is remaining because we have to bring or transfer 5 by 2 here. Okay, it becomes 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2 itself. Okay, then see denominators are same. We can directly subtract the numerals. You have studied the fractions, apply here the methods. If the denominators are different, what to do? Take the LCM, make it as the same denominator, then we have to subtract. But here it is not necessary. So we can directly subtract the numerals. 37 minus 5 is 32 by 2 here. If this is the case, then what is the next step? Is it enough the space? So it is becomes the value of 2y is equal to 32 by 2 it is. But we don't want 2y. Only we need as a y. So if you want to y only here means I want to transfer to this side. If you want to transfer that to that side means, so there is a multiplication between 2 and y. Okay, then it becomes division of 2 here, isn't it? So here is a step, directly steps here written. So 2y, so y is equal to, after here I'll write, okay, or you can write as a like this also. First we have to divide the 32 by 2. So 32 divided by 2 is 16. Okay, if you want to divide it. So 2y is equal to 16. So just now I said I don't want y2 here. So division of 2 it becomes, because there is a multiplication between the 2 and y. So if you transfer here, it becomes division. So y is equal to 16 divided by 2 is 8. So what is the value of variable? 8. So here is your answer. So here second is also same. First transfer 28 and then 5 division. Here C1 I'll choose to solve. Here a by 3 plus 3 is equal to 2 is there. So first whatever I said is first addition subtraction, you have to transfer that side. So there is a addition with a 3 means transfer that side. So only a by 3 is remaining 2. So there is a plus here, it becomes minus. So a by 3 is equal to 2 minus 1 is minus 1, because it is a integer. So a by 3 is minus 1. So if a by 3 is minus 1, so again we don't want the value of a by 3, only we need a. Okay, if you want to transfer to this side, what it becomes? A divided by 3 is there. So there is a division between a and 3. So it becomes multiplication with the 3. So a is equal to 3 ones are 3 minus. So a value is minus 3 here. So here is your, so sorry, I said as a 3. So it is a 5. Okay, so a by 5 it is, sorry, it is 5. So a minus 5 becomes minus 1. So a is equal to minus 1 into 5. So minus 5 it is. Okay, make it sure. Even this d is also same here. Then I'll show the E1. E1 is like it is 5 by 2. X is equal to 25 by 4. 25 by 4 it is. So first transfer, there is no addition subtraction in the LHS, only 5 by 2 x is there. So directly we can go for the multiplication division here. So what you have to do, first transfer the division, better to calculate, or you can transfer the 5 also, but at denominator we have to transfer first. So 5x is remain 25 by 4 into 2, because there is a division of 2 it is there, so multiplication is. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So answer is 5x is equal to 25 by 2. Okay, remember, so 5x is equal to 25 by 2 it is. So again I want to transfer the x. There is a multiplication, it becomes division. If it is a division means it will multiply with the divider. Okay, so now 5 ones are 5 5s are. Again what is the answer? 5 by 2 is a x value. So there is a steps here. Okay, I hope you understand. And here is all are same here. And the second main, here also solve the following equations. So based on the transposing method only we have to solve, but here only slight one step extra is given. So that is nothing but there is a multiplication extra, because there is a brackets are there. So it indicates as a multiplication with the outside of the number which is attached to the bracket. So first one I'll take the example, that is 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. So this bracket depends on 2, because with the attached it is, there is no addition. When addition subtraction is there between the bracket and the number means there is a separation, but there is a bracket with attached to the number means it is multiplication. So first of all we have to multiply, then only it is becomes easy, or else you can transfer the number that side. Okay, first what we did, addition we will, or addition subtraction if it is there means we will transfer to that side, but we cannot transfer here because this bracket is dash to the 4 also and x also. Means better two ways I'll show here. First, transfer, there is a multiplication with 2 means transfer that side. So multiplication becomes division. So 12 by 2 is 6. So x plus 4 bracket same. So again 4 I don't want, I transfer here, plus 4 becomes minus 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So x value is 2 here. Or another method is, so multiply 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 4, 8. See, we are multiplying the 2 with the brackets, whatever is there. So 12 as it is. Now we can transfer that side 1. So 2x is equal to 12 minus 8. Because first addition we have to transfer, or subtraction we have to transfer. So 2x is equal to 4. Then 2x I don't want to here. So x is equal to 4 by 2. That is nothing but x is equal to 2. See, this is the another method. Okay, like this also you have to solve, or by the given examples also you can solve. One more examples. So here 3 into n minus 5 is equal to minus 21. So 3 into n minus 5 means there is a multiplication between the 3 and n minus 5. So two methods are there. We can transfer the 3 first that side. So it becomes minus 21 by 3. It becomes minus 7. So minus 7. If you transfer the minus 5 that side, it becomes plus 5. So minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2. So this is the one way. Another way, you can multiply 3n minus 3 5s are 15. So minus 21. So 3n is equal to minus 21. So transfer the minus 15 that side, it becomes plus 15. Okay, 3n is equal to minus 21 plus 15 is becomes minus 6. So n is equal to, transfer the 3 that side because there is a multiplication, it becomes division. So it is minus 2. Here also by this method also you can get the minus 2 value itself. So third main. So first question, here also solve the following equations. So solve the following equation. Given equation is 4 is equal to 5 into p minus 2. Before examples was the variable terms was left hand side and constant only was the right hand side. Only reverse process it is. If you want to bring the LHS to RHS, bring the 1 by 1 to RHS to LHS here. That's all. Both methods are same here. Okay, so 4 is in RHS means transfer the all the numbers except p in the RHS. So multiplication 5 you can bring to that, or you can multiply the simple way. It is 5 into p 5p minus 5 into 2 10. Okay, so 4 is equal to, so only I want to transfer the minus 10 here, it becomes plus 10. So plus 10, only 5p is remaining there. Okay, 4 plus 10 14 is equal to 5p. Okay, reverse I'll write for the time being. That means 5p is equal to 40. See 5 rupees 1 apple is also same. For 1 apple 5 rupees, both meaning are same. It is also like that. So I don't want the 5 here, I need only p means, so p is equal to 14 divided by 5. So here we have written the answers here. Okay, I hope you understand. Another example, C1, 6 minus 16 is equal to minus 5 into 2 minus p. So just I have said is, so remove the bracket by multiplying the numbers whatever are there in the bracket. So multiply with the minus 5, keep remaining as it is. So minus 16, 5 2s are 10, minus 10 it becomes. So minus into minus plus, 5 into p is 5p. So minus into minus plus it is. So I need 5p here only, because there is a plus means keep it there only. So minus 10 bring this side, what it becomes plus 10. So 5p as it is. So minus 16 plus 10 is minus 6 is equal to 5p. So may I write 5p is equal to minus 6. So both meaning are same, just now I said no. So then p is equal to minus 6 by 5. So transfer the 5 this side. So it becomes the same answer. See here. Minus 16 multiplication 5 into 2 minus p here. Okay. Why they have not written means this minus as it is they kept, but the multiplication with a p. Okay. So 16, 5 2 is 10, 5p plus. So reverse this term in a LHS, this term is a RHS they have written. Okay, then minus 10, transfer that side, it becomes minus 6. So 5p is equal to minus 6, p is equal to minus 6 by 5, because if you transfer to this side there is a multiplication, it becomes a division here. So this is E1 actually from the textbook. Some examples are extra in this exercise, so please go through it and write whatever it is necessary. Okay, so 0 plus is equal to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. Just now I said, so there is the addition means we have to transfer that side first, then if it is multiplication and all we can do it. So this is the one term we can tell. There is a multiplication between 4 and m minus 6 means, so this is the only one term and this 16 is another term. So transfer the 16 that side, so it becomes 0 minus 16 and multiply the 4 and m minus 6 here. Okay, 0 minus 16 is nothing but minus 16. Okay, then next step is, so it was the question is like this, 4 into m minus 6 it was. So 4, if you transfer this side, there is a multiplication between this bracket and 4, so that it becomes a division. So 16 minus 16 divided by 4 is equal to m minus 6. Okay, then m minus 6 as it is. So 4 ones are 4 fours are, so minus 4 is remaining, then minus m minus 6. So m is positive, keep it there only. So minus 6 if you bring, it becomes plus 6, so 2. So 2 is equal to m is nothing but m is equal to 2. Okay, so this is the value of m. So this is the fourth question. Construct the three equations starting with x equal to 2. See, this is based on the giving the steps method, we can take it. So by adding, by multiplying some number, by dividing some number, we have to create. So give the steps to separate, we will do no. We will remove the numbers there to separate the variable only. So here we have to go on add, subtract, multiply and divide. Okay, better easy addition, multiplication, subtraction. Better to remove the division here for the convenience. So first only three equations they said, only one each examples I'll show. So x equal to 2 means is a equation, means we have to create one equation like multiplying, adding, subtracting, anything. So just multiply both the sides by 10. Okay, multiply both the sides by 10 means 10 into x, 10x, 2 into 10, 20, like that. So another, I don't want only 10x is equal to 2. One more I may add or subtract to both the sides. If you add means 10, both the sides means 10x plus 2, 20 plus 2 is 22. So equation is what? 10x plus 2 is equal to 22. If you want to subtract means what it becomes, 10x minus 2 is equal to 20 minus 2 is 18. Like this the equation comes. This is how you have to do it. You can choose not only 2 and 10. You can choose any other numbers also. So this is one example. This is one equation. So you can choose the another. You have to do the two examples, two equations here. Now three equations starting with the x equal to -2 instead of 2 -2. Same, multiplying both sides by 3 means x into 3 is 3x. So 2 into 3 is 6 minus 6. So again, not only multiplication, there must be adding and subtracting also I need, means you can choose. So what it becomes, you can take it. So only one step I have made the equation here. So do it the another two equations. I hope you understand this exercise. So I'll go for the next exercise. So 4.4 exercise. Here there is a framing equations and solving. It comes. So set up equations and solve them to find the unknown numbers in the following cases. See, unknown number we will usually denote by the letters, alphabets, A to Z letters. Okay, you may choose any letter here, not only X, not only Y, not only A, B, C, D. Okay, you may choose. So, but the equation should be true whatever given in the statement. So here first statement I'll go through. Add 4. See how you have to create. Just read word by word. Add 4. Okay. 2 8 times. See which number? 2 8 times a number. A number means which number I don't know. I may take that number as a x. You get means equal 60. So this is your equation. Okay. So first for that I'll make it as in the statement. How it is? Let the number be x. According to the equation, 8x plus 4 is equal to 60. So 8x plus 4 is equal to 60 means then we have to solve here now. Not only framing the equation, we have to solve it. Then 8x, 4 you transfer that side, it becomes 8x is equal to 56 because 60 minus 4 is 56. So x only we need means 56 divided by 8 gives 7. So x value is that number, that unknown number is 7 here. Okay. This is how you have to solve here. Okay, I'll go for the next. Next, 1/5 of a number. See, that number you may take as a y. 1/5 means 1/5 means also you can take as a into or directly y into 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. That's all. Then you have to solve the numbers. Okay, what will become an equation? Y by 5 minus 4 is equal to 3. So transfer that side, it becomes minus 1 or sorry plus 7 because it's plus, minus 4 becomes plus here. So here, so let the number be y according to the equation question. Y by 5 is equal minus 4 is equal to 3. So 4 transfer, if you transfer the 4 that side, it becomes plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So y by 5 I don't want, so 5 also I'll transfer, it becomes a multiplication. So 7 5s are 35. So y is equal to 35. So in the same way I'll go on to give the equation to you, how it frame, and you must solve it. Okay. Third one, if I take 3/4 of a number. If I take a 3/4 of a number, 3/4 of number means just now 3/4 of number z, I'll take that number and add 3 to it, I get a 21. So this is your equation. So this is how you have to solve it. Another D1, when I subtracted 11 from twice a number, or you can take A, B, C, D, twice a number, the result gives 15. Okay, here we have chosen the letter X only. Okay, Then again, even Munna subtracts thrice a number m of notebooks he has from 50. So from 50 he has subtracted 3 times the number of books. He find the result as 8. This is how the equation. Okay. So transfer that side, that 3m. It becomes 8 plus 3m. And then this 8 you bring this side. So 50 minus 8 is equal to 3m. So 42 is equal to 3m. So 3 it becomes 3 ones are 3 fours are. So 14s are. So m is equal to 14. In the same way, Ibn Hal thinks of number. If she adds a number, you can take as A. If she adds 19 to 8, divides the sum divides the sum by 5, she will give a 8. Okay, this is your equation. You can check. So here instead of A they are chosen as a n here. Okay, first transfer the 5 that side, it becomes a 8 5s are 40. Next plus 19, if you transfer 9 minus 19 becomes, so n value is 21. So again G1 answer thinks of a number. If he takes away 7, takes away means subtraction, from 5 by 2 of a number you can take as A, the result gives 11 by 2. So this is your equation. You can check. See here they are taken as an example x. Okay, and solve the x value here. And the second main is also like that only. Solve the following. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by the student in her class are twice the lowest marks plus 7. So this was given in the example before, but one step extra is given here. See, let the lowest marks be y. Okay, lowest marks be y here. So according to the question what it says, see, highest marks is twice the lowest marks plus 7. Okay, highest marks is, so highest mark somewhere here, and it is the twice the lowest mark, lowest plus 7. So the highest score is 87. So what is the lowest score? So y we have to find it. So here let the lowest marks be y. Then according to the question, equation becomes 2y plus 7 is equal to 87. Then again, so transfer the 7 that side, it becomes 80. So 80 by 2 is 40. So the lowest marks is 40 here. So second question. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. See, if it is an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal means same. Okay. Base angle means these two sides are equal. Keep it in mind. The opposite sides angles also same. The vertex angle means where the touches. So it is 40 degree. What are the base angles of the triangle? Remember the sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Okay, same here. Here let the base angle of the triangle be B. So those are here B and C. So A is equal to 40 degree and B is equal to C here. So both angles are same. You can choose those are a same number. Here 40 plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So if you add all the three angles of triangle, it gives always a 180 degree it means. So B plus B is 2B, 40, transfer that side, 180 minus B, 20, 40, it becomes 140, 2B is equal to 140, so transfer the 2 that side, it becomes divide, so it is 70 degree. So both the angles, base angles are 70 degree. Okay, so thus the base angles of isosceles triangles are 70 degree each. Then Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. See here, very interesting. Sachin scored twice as. So Sachin's score is twice as Rahul. Then what is the Rahul's? So which is unknown here? Rahul. So Rahul as taken as a unknown. Together runs fell to double century. So if you add all, 2 less, so double century, 2 less it is. Okay. How many runs did each one score? Okay. So this is C1. Let the score of Rahul, because Sachin is comparing to Rahul means Rahul runs only we have to take as a variable. So Rahul as X, Sachin's score is 2X. So according to the question, X plus 2X is equal to, just now I said 200 minus 2 less means it is 198. That's why it is 198. Okay. Then X plus 2X means becomes 3X. So 3X is equal to 198. So 3 becomes denominator, 198 divided by 3 gives 66. So X is a 66 means it is Rahul's score. Then Sachin's score is double. So 2 into 66 is 132 runs. So that's why if you add these all two, it is 198 only it comes. Here third main is also same kind. These all we have studied to convert the equations also, but again once again very shortly I'll explain. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more. Irfan is saying 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble of permits. Okay, so Irfan's it is. So we are comparing the permits means permits only we have to take as a, it is variable, so it always 37. So Irfan has a 37 marbles. Then what about permits have? Like that. Okay, so here is the examples explanation. Let the number of marbles permits has a m marbles. So 5m plus 7 is equal to 37. So transfer the 7 that side, so 30 it becomes. So transfer 5 that side, multiplication become division. So 30 by 5 gives 6. So thus the permits has a 6 marbles. Then next one, Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. Okay, and he is 4 years older. Older means addition of 4. Then 3 times Lakshmi's age. Okay, so Lakshmi's age. What is the Lakshmi's age? So Lakshmi's age we can take as a L or any other. So this is your equation. Find the value of Lakshmi's age. So here also T they have taken. No. Why? Let the age of Lakshmi be Y. So father's age is 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. So 4 transfer that side, 45. 3y is equal to 45. So 3 transfer that side, divide by 3. So 15. So Lakshmi's age is 15. Then third one, people of Sundargram planted a total 102 trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees. So total how many? 1 or 2. Fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees, non-fruit, okay, trees were, non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the fruit trees. Okay, so non-fruit is 3 times more with addition of 2 extra. So these both, if you add, you'll get a 102, because non-fruited trees and fruited trees are here. So how it becomes the equation? Okay, trees are taken as a t only. So let the number of fruit trees be t. Okay, then non-fruit trees is 3t plus 2. These all, if you add, t plus 3t plus 2 is 102. Say then t plus 3t is 4t plus 2 is equal to 102. So 40, 2 transfer that side, minus 2, 100 it is. 4 divided by, sorry, 40 is equal to 100, t is equal to 100 by 4, that is t is equal to 24. So fruit trees are 25. Then another, you have to check by verifying the number. So this is the last question of this lesson. Solve the following riddle. I am a number, so take a number as a x. Tell my identity. Take me 7 times over. Wait. So I am a number, so number as a n. Take me 7 times over, add a 50. Okay, add a 50 to each a triple century. You still need the triple century. If you want to need, you still need means addition of 40. That is the equation. So 7n plus 90 is equal to 300. So this is your equation. So let the number be n according to the question. 7n plus 50 plus 40 is equal to 300. 7n plus 90 is equal to 300. 7n is equal to 300. Transfer the 90 that side, it becomes 210. 7 also you have to transfer that side. 210 divided by 7. So there is a multiplication, it becomes division. So 210 divided by 7 becomes 30. So that number is nothing but 30. So this is all about the simple equations. So study and complete the notes well. Thank you.